Iraq, Alawi calls on Nouri Maliki to resign. The leader of Iraqi National Coalition, Dr. Layad Alawi, on Sunday called for the resignation of the Iraqi Prime Minister Nouri al-Maliki and formation of a caretaker government to hold parliamentary elections on April 30th. Syria, Yarmouk under siege, a horror story of war crimes, starvation, and death. A new report by Amnesty International reveals that war crimes and crimes against humanity have been carried out on Palestinian and Syrian civilians in Yarmouk on the outskirts of Damascus, which is under brutal siege by Syrian government forces. Hezbollah, using Iranian regime surveillance equipment in Syria, reports. On March 6, Saudi Arabia's Al Watan reported that Hezbollah had established a small airport in the Lebanese city of Baalbek near the Syrian border and was operating Iranian-made drones.